peeps. So today we're going to be doing Tadasana. Tadasana, also known as mountain pose. It is probably one of my favorite poses that there is because it's so simple. We stand every day, but with Tadasana, there is so much depth, so much tuning into the subtleties of the body that it's just this really yummy posture that you can put pretty much anywhere in your sequences to really kind of center and tune in. So with Tadasana, mountain pose, I'm going to have you bring your feet hip width apart. So we're going to start the feet at hip width. And then just kind of play around here. Rock forward, rock backwards, side to side. And then as you do this, feel where the pads of your feet are getting pressure as you lean. And then try to find your center point. So finding your body right in line. Maybe look down at those feet, lift up all 10 toes if you can, spread them nice and wide and set them back down. Good. Now if you feel like you need to, you can close your eyes and feel all four corners of your feet. So the four corners of the feet is the ball joint of the big toe, so that big ball, the ball joint of the little toe, so the little ball, and then the two sides of the heel, the left and the right side of the heel. And those are your four corners of the feet. Once you feel like you've tuned into those guys, see if you can grip with your toes a little bit here, lifting the arches so you're kind of feeling an upward motion coming up into the feet. And this kind of strengthens the ankle muscles, engages the ankle muscles, I should say. And then soften the knees a little bit, not a bend at all, but just a little softness, but then start to draw the knees up into the thigh muscles. So you're kind of engaging there as well. And then you're going to tuck the tailbone. Not an aggressive tuck, just a little tuck, which kind of naturally makes the belly button move up and in towards the ribs. And this is also kind of engaging that center core that we have. And then sometimes we want to over tuck, and that makes us stick our ribs out. So if you feel yourself doing that, try to bring the sternum back on top of that belly button. And then we come up to the shoulders. So we take those shoulders up, back, and down. And you can face the palms forward or to the sides. I'm a palm forward fan, but if it feels better for you to have your palms to the side, go ahead and do that. But with the fingers, we don't want kind of limp, loose ankle or wrists and fingers. We want engagement down there too. Not like clenching the entire body engagement, just energy moving downwards and staying engaged there. Perfect. And then keep that chin parallel with the earth. So if you found yourself looking down or up, try to bring it center. And then coming back down to the feet. Feel your feet rooting into the mat. See if you can feel that energy coming all the way up through the body, coming through the crown of the head like somebody's pulling you with a string there. You can close the eyes if it feels nice. Just take a few breaths, kind of sensing that grounding sensation. I don't know about you, but I feel extremely grounded and kind of powerful. Like it's a powerful stance, especially if you have those palms facing forward and a slight lift in your heart. You're like, ah. But yeah, so see if you want to cultivate that for yourself. I just did. And then if standing might not be available to you, you can do all of that while sitting in a chair as well. So you just start with the feet, bring that energy all the way up through the body, reaching through the crown of the head while you're sitting in a chair. You can still cultivate that same energetic value. And that is our Tadasana mountain pose. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions. Like and subscribe if you want to continue to get more of these posture tutorials. And I'm looking forward to making more for you guys.